Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are talking about how to build web apps without writing tons of code. And of course, we will show you how to use Deepsite, also known as Grok Studio, to create your own full-stack web apps. So firstly, guys, visit deepsite.ai and log in or sign up for free. Click on Create a new app. You can either choose a blank template or describe your app idea in plain English. For example, type build a to-do app with login and dark mode, and Grok Studio will generate it. After generation, you'll get a editable UI and code panels. Use the drag and drop interface to adjust layout, text, buttons, and pages. You can also ask the AI to update the app by typing commands like add a task filter or connect this to Mongo database. Click preview to test the full app in real time. You can interact with forms, navigate pages, and simulate live data. Once ready, just hit deploy and choose your hosting method. Free Grok hosting, Vercel, or download the full project to host elsewhere. Also, important info, Deepsite/Grok Studio supports full-stack builds with real database integration. You'll need to connect APIs or provide credentials if you want full backend features like authentication or email. Great for prototyping, MVPs, or learning full stack flow. That's how easy it is to build a web app with Deepsite. No heavy coding, no stress. So if this helped, leave a like and of course comment what you're building, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.